Today we're going to explore how you can discover the effects or trends on TikTok, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. It's really simple, so let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Next, look for the button with a plus icon at the center of the bottom menu. Tap on it to start creating a new TikTok. Wait for the camera interface to load, and then look for the Effects button, typically located on the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on Effects to proceed. In the Effects section, you'll see a window that simply says Trending or Trend. Here you can explore different effects that are currently popular and being used by creators. To try out an effect, simply tap on it and it will automatically apply to your video. If you really like an effect and want to save it as a favorite, tap on the icon that appears next to it. This will add it to your favorites. To access your favorite effects later, tap on the icon that appears in the bar just to the left of Trend. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more TikTok tips. See you in the next one.